All right, so anyway, here's our machine, right? There's the forehead like thing. You put it on, this side's on the right side, right? So that's how you'd put it on. All right, so here's our 6-foot cord. And this is kind of interesting because if you've got a block for USB-C, you could use it, or you could use a block for USB-A. So I've got a block here. Let's plug it in. And then this is going to go into this port here. It's USB-C. So once we do that, we're going to notice that red light comes on, and we just got to let it sit there until it charges. And hopefully it won't take too long. Let's check her out. We got a green light. Let's unplug all this stuff. Take that off of there. I might just leave this plug on here for now because I can always use it on anything that needs a USB-C, right? If I can get it out of the way. Anyway, here it is. We're ready to go. All we got to do is put it on our head. Now here's the thing, dude. Do not turn it on and do not look at this because it's the lasers. This goes on the right side of your temple, okay? So remember, this on the right side, and then you got to press this and hold it for 3 seconds. So let's set that down and we'll do that. All right, so here it is, right? So this is the way you want it, all right? So you can read the name, okay? This will be on the right-hand side. This is the right side, even though in the video it probably looks like it's the left. Then I'm going to put it on my head like this. So once I get it on the head here, then I'm going to press this for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. You're going to hear that noise, and then I should get, I should get a green light. I probably don't want my hair in there because I think it might cook it. So let's push the hair out of it. Key thing is you don't want to look at this thing. So before you take it off, you want to press that button and make sure it's turned off, okay? You don't want that light going in your eyes, I don't think. I mean, I don't know why you would, right? All right, so they say not to do it more than 15 minutes. If you do take it off, it should turn off automatically and then turn back on if you put it on within a 15-minute period. But I can hear it running. See if you guys can hear it. And supposedly this is going to make me smarter, brighter, funnier, wittier, cooler, and every other thing you can think of. So you just got to leave it on there. I'm not going to stay here for 15 minutes and watch you guys watch me just like get my brain cooked. I'm just going to, I'll come back after the 15 minutes and I'll tell you how I feel. How's that sound? All right, hang on. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off for right now. All right, every couple minutes it makes a funny noise. Let's see if we can do it again. Supposedly this stimulates something. I don't know what, but oh, there it is. You hear that noise? All right, I'm already feeling smarter. E = MC squared. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I use things like this. Peace out. All right, so to turn this thing off, I'm going to press here and hold it for 3 seconds. Bob's your uncle.